My name is Tanner Dean. I'm a commercial and residential real estate agent here in Lubbock, and then I also tend to invest in real estate myself as well. I was first introduced to Alliance Credit Union primarily through David Vaughn and relationships with him. And as I grew to trust David, naturally, you grow to trust the place that he works at. When I initially had met David and was introduced to Alliance Credit Union, I was actually in search of someone that could provide a great product and a great service to clients that I personally represent. And then through discovering that, I actually found ones that would help benefit me personally as well in my own real estate adventures. My first experience with Alliance was actually with myself as the consumer, and I worked with Mackenzie Smith and her team in doing really just a commercial styled loan for a residential property. And the biggest thing I would say that I got from it is high service, whether that's response times, the simple, you don't experience the bait and switch concept. So the thing that you're told up front is the thing that you get. And that's unfortunately a really rarity in this industry. And so I really appreciated just the trustworthiness that was connected, not only through David, but for me and Mackenzie, just in she does the thing that she says she's going to do and when she's going to do it. And that was the thing that primarily made me buy in from a overall perspective. So after I did that first loan with Mackenzie and her team, one thing that really stood out was that service didn't stop at just a loan being done. There was like 3 or 4 different people from Alliance that showed up to the closing table with me just to celebrate me. And then as it became time to do more, really there was no place to look elsewhere, in my opinion, other than Alliance. And so I had a really difficult commercial loan come about, and by difficult, just from it was complex, where the money was coming from, what the product was itself. We ran into a lot of environmental issues, and things really just continued to be solved along the way with really clear and transparent communication. And so not only was the rate great, but there was a lot of creativity involved with how much are we going to get from a loan perspective and how are we going to solve these environmental problems. And so as it was not only just communicated along the way, and when there was no answer, we got the answer of I don't know, and they went and found out. And so I really appreciated the upfront communication as well as the transparent communication along the way. If I was going to describe Alliance in one sentence, I would just say that they're people who do the thing that they say they're going to do. And that to me means more than a rate, and it means more than a fee. And having people in my corner that I could just rely on is the most important thing for me in my business.